I'll back up a little bit. What intrigued me about this place was the 40-year employees. And when I first started in the maintenance shop, there was a bunch of guys that had been here 30 plus years, 40 years. And I worked here on the rebuild in 2012, and I don't know what it is about this place. And I'm not trying to sell the company, but this is just my take on it. I liked what I felt certainty could give me as a person. So I kept trying to get on. For 4 years I tried to get on, and it just happened to work out. My name is Chris Skipper. I'm the maintenance supervisor. I mainly see over the daytime only guys. I see over the whole group, take care of work orders, breakdowns, just the overall running of the plant. I graduated high school in 1991. I graduated in North Carolina. Mechanics always intrigued me. I took a job here as just a regular mechanic, not in the management side. To be honest with you, I was happy being just a mechanic, but I was always looking forward. That's just the way I am. I'm always looking for my next step that's going to improve my life and my family, and I want to be an asset to wherever I'm at. This job I got now, I wasn't looking for this job, but it came available, and in my head, it was a win-win. You know, that's my next step. I want a history, I want a future, I want the longevity. I want to make an impact, and I want this place to continue. Not only me, but the young guys coming behind me have a stable environment for their families. Mainly, I come to work to take care of my family and give my family, my grandkids, my kids, a better life. But also at the end of the day, for selfish reasons, I want to go home knowing I did a good job. And I approach everything in my life that way. I give it 100% or I'm not going to do it at all. When I go home in the afternoon and I feel like I left it all on the table, I'm happy because I know I'm needed doing what I'm doing. I'm happy because I do give it my 100%, and I feel like I leave my mark every day. You know, but at the end of the day, you know, I enjoy what I do. And this company is taking care of me and my family. It's afforded me the opportunities to be better, you know, and that's, to me, I'm growing every day. I'm learning every day, and I'm never going to stop that. And this place gives me the opportunity to do that. I guess that's it.